based on productivity and cost efficiency. Okay, before we proceed, we are there, and I will choose our group member, which is Izia Izati, Ashwini, Nur Shira Shiramli, Wan Farah Inani, and Siti Sharmi. Okay, next. Okay, we have three objectives, which is first objective to analysis and review about an innovation business opportunity via market survey in attracting new market for vending machine product. Second objective is to analysis and review literature associating managing new product. Third objective is to examine and review about the conceptual distinct from base or process-based creativity for hot and cool vending machine. Okay, next definition, we have three types of definition, which is product elation, outcome-based creativity, and new product cost efficiency. Okay, for product elation, hot and cool vending machine is an idea of creating convenience and relevant production in order to meet the changing demand of customer. Hot and cool vending machine also have three parts, which is have a frozen food, snack, and also microwave that customer can use to cook the frozen food. Okay, second is outcome-based creativity, which is the strategy to include new aspect to the product. Third is new product cost efficiency. New product cost efficiency that the new product to introduce was delivered to incorporate compare other product. Next is methodology. We have three types of methodology, which is target survey, target market survey, and market analysis. Okay, for target market, we have three target market, which is student, the worker, and the customer that between 18 to 60 years old. For market survey, we have three, University Malaysia Kelantan, that includes student or staff, terminal bus, and shopping mall. For market analysis, we have literature analysis, market survey, and respondent participate is 130. For competitor, we have two competitors, which is Rata 2 vending machine and Atlas vending machine. For Rata 2 vending machine, they have been designed for the storage and delivery of frozen ready-made. Also serve hot food without manpower, such as nasi goreng, nasi lemak, and nasi ayam. For Atlas vending machine, provide combination of snack and drink in one vending machine. Atlas also offer drink which is less sugar and product snack that salt product approved by Singapore and Malaysia Health Promotion Board. For pricing factor, we have three factors, which is cost, customer, and competitor. For cost, before we set the pricing, we have to determine the cost involved with running our business. And for example, fixed cost and direct cost, such as electric bill, machine, and rent. For customer, we need to know our customer need and want for our product. From the information we have, we can determine if our price is right or we need to change our market to make our business more profitable. For competitor, we are doing an observation about how the competitor charging the different product and what the customer attract with their pricing. We also gather the information that will give us industry benchmark for our pricing. For data analysis, our data was self-conducted among 260 customers. 130 customers participate. Data analysis using descriptive and also analysis of new product delivered process. Okay, our novelty is new product idea, hot and cool vending machine. By providing a proper business plan and training, hot and cool vending machine is able to help customers to save time to cook by providing instant food that ready to eat. to E. This paper is novel in that of a new perspective on issue late of time to cook. Our key finding is based on 260 customers. We have three objectives of the finding. First is about 50% of respondents agree to the hot and cold vending machine will increase the economic growth as it provides many facilities. The highest score who wish to use the service got placed on to 26 years old, which is among the young people. Our second objective is 60 respondents agree that hot and cold vending machine that the self-service operating is efficient. For third objective, the respondent agree that hot and cold vending machine will provide more facility to the customer, with 50 respondents. 55 respondents agree that hot and cold vending machine serve very frozen food and snack in one vending machine. Okay, for practical consideration, we have three objectives. First objective, hot and cold vending machine has been implicated as a contributing factor to the development for new market. Second objective, hot and cold vending machine in this paper to study product cost efficiency and outcome-based creativity. The consumer also support for healthy food and drink vending machine in public place. For third objective, hot and cold vending machine set a public setting such as university should support consumer to make healthy dietary choice by improving food environment. For theoretical and practical contribution, our new product cost efficient, which is the ability of firm to perform new product development and marketing activity at a lower cost than the competitor while offering comparable product and arising from cost efficient operation. For outcome-based creativity, the degree of development of new knowledge as an outcome of project and its conceptual distinct from facility-based or process-based creativity. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.